Dear students, here is an object and also it is a celestial body. Which celestial body it is? Any guess? Yes, it is the moon. What is its color? Yeah, grey color. You could have heard many stories about the moon from your grandparents. Am I correct? There is an old lady on the moon and she is doing some work under the tree. Is it? But when the astronomers reached the moon, they found that there is no atmosphere and no water. They noticed only some craters as well as high mountains on the moon. Since there is no atmosphere and water, life is not possible on the moon. Okay. 3 astronomers went to the moon. 2 of them landed on the moon. Who are those 2 persons? Yes, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin. They landed the moon on July 21st according to our Indian time in 1969. The name of the satellite Apollo 11. It was sent by America. Dear ones, let us see some of the details about moon. Moon age is 4.5 billions of years and its distance from the earth is 3,84,400 kilometers. The moon is the only one natural satellite of the earth. Other planets also have natural satellites. The planet Jupiter has more satellites than all other planets. Okay. It revolves our earth in its orbit with certain gravity. You could have heard full moon day and new moon day. Am I correct? Yes, that is caused because of its revolution around the earth. The earth revolves around the sun and also along with the moon, it is revolving. Okay, now let us see what are the phases of the moon. Now we can see how phases of moon occur. Okay. Here is the sun, here is the moon. We can see the sun in a particular day in bright way, but in some other day its brightness decreases, in some other day its brightness increases. The various shape of the moon, of the bright part of the moon in a month is called phases of the moon. Okay, dear ones, the day on which we can see the bright part of the moon is called full moon day. After full moon day, its brightness decreases each day by day. On the 15th day, completely it is invisible. That day is known as new moon day. Soon after the new moon day, slowly its brightness increases. And again on the 15th day, we can see the full moon. Okay, why it occurs? Let us see. We can see the part of the moon only where the sunlight falls. When sunlight falls on the moon, it reflects back to us. So we can see the moon. When the moon is between the sun and the earth, it is invisible for us. But when it revolves around the earth, the sun rays fall on some part of the moon. Those rays reflect to us, so we can see its brightness, the amount of brightness. So, the illuminated part of the moon increases from new moon day. After full moon day, it slowly decreases. Most of the festivals in our country depends on phases of the moon. You could have known which day Diwali and Maha Shivaratri, Idul Fitr are observed. These are celebrated based on the various shape of the moon. Okay, dear ones. Now we have seen how phases of moon